Flag song. Pledge. India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Stand at ease.
Good morning to one. I call Selvi Kavi Pranita to say bravo. Good morning to one. I send the message. Thank you. Now I call upon Selva Paisan to say Tirukural. Tirukural. Teenan Sutapa Ullar Malada Kavinan Sutur. Thank you. Now I call upon Selvi Dukkanasi to say Lady Finger. Kuppani to one. I am a lady finger. I am a green color. Vitamin A. Thank you. Now I call upon Selvi Selva Yugal Bala to say வானத்தில் நாட்கள் 7 மணி 2 மணி 2 பதினெட்டு 7 தானிதி டி எஸ் செவ்வாய் புரன் ஆளு எல்லி சனி டேயூ.
Teacher speech.
Respected Principal Madam and all my colleagues and my dear students, good morning all of you. Today I am here to say share about two important things. The one is discipline in student life. Then another one, importance of time. The first of all, discipline. Discipline refers to training of practice, especially when mind and character, self-control, sincerity, honesty. It is equal important for all the people. It is make us some rules and norms, the value of activities. Substantially, it is important for the students. Our school student found to be a discipline, but they have to be trained properly. The most important stage of human life is school life. The disciplined student make a successful life, but the undisciplined student like uncontrolled vehicle. What happened? Uncontrolled vehicle, it clash or collide with others at anywhere, at any time. It is unstable. But disciplined student having a stable life. Even nature follow some discipline. For example, sun rises, sunset, even earth around the own axis in the sun in a proper way at a proper time. So you should follow the discipline and make a successful life. Then another one important, time. Time is important factor for the human progress. It is running continuously. No waiting for any of you. The time is divided into three parts: past, present, future. Past is past because it had already gone. But if we apply the present properly, then automatically making a successful life. Time is cold is one of the proverb, but I am not agree with it because cold is being to be cold and sharp. We can everything we can pay in the world, but time cannot be bought. So my concept is time is life. It never comes back. So follow the time management and discipline. You can make the successful life. All the very best for the bright future. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
School, attention! National anthem. Prayer dispersed.